Okay, guys, how you doing? This is my Singer sewing machine desk, and this is the sewing machine. I don't hear. I'll be real with you guys. I do not know a whole lot about this sewing machine because I know that this. After watching the video, I know that this goes up and down because I guess that's hooked up to the needle to this part, and so your miss is to wind this spool that goes into the this part right. Wait, yeah, this has drawers that goes into this. This is that is how you spool it. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. So if anyone, there's a motor on this. Power motor. Pause and look at that. Feel free. This is where the spool goes. This does work, guys. So I got this at the antique store in my town of Quakertown. I don't know if there was supposed to be something on here or what, but yeah, I don't really know the history, let alone the year that this was. I do know that this drawer right here is not original to it. That is just where I keep my regular scissors. So anyway, yeah. I only paid like $50 for this at the I basically only paid $50 plus tax for this at the antique store in my town. I'm friends with the I help out the owner of the place when he needs it. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I do have a belt for this. Goes on here with a motor. This did come with accessories, but I think I need to get a new belt because this one is really trying out. I haven't used this at all because I did order a leather belt so I can power it with my feet. I think I might have to spray this with oh, okay, all right, cool. Yeah, so I do have a paper that has a serial number. I'm not sure if that's actually with what I'm not sure if that is for this machine or what, but I don't know a whole lot. My friend Phil did, who has the antique store. He got this from someone, and I don't think that I think that they didn't. It doesn't look like they had this in a like an attic or whatever where there was moisture because this looks like it's in great shape. I forget sometimes how good of shape this looks like it's in. By the way, it also came with attachments, but one of the attachments is missing. I ended up buying these and that little potato pin cushion. Apparently, this little thing is to sharpen the pins, which is nice. Came with this and another. Came with this and another type of scissors, which is right here. cannot wait to get the belt so I can size it and then be able to fix some clothing. This is the manual. It looks like it came off of a Titanic. So I gotta see if I gotta try and find. I gotta see if I can try to find a better copy of it. Hopefully. I don't know if this goes with this machine. Maybe, I don't know. But if anyone can tell me what they think or whatever about this, that'd be awesome. I appreciate it. With what I've seen, usually I guess this wasn't really used all that often because usually this design, they stopped doing it when it comes to, at one point the company stopped having an artist do it by hand, so they just basically started using stickers to put it on there. Anyway, so yeah, this box is metal. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this one right here is missing, which kind of sucks, but hey, it's really small, so I don't know if I would actually. Could that go there? Unless maybe that goes there, and maybe a bigger one goes here. And there's this miscellaneous stuff that I don't know anything about. I'm not sure if there's two things go here, but I don't know what that is. And I also have these feet. I gotta figure what these are for. So yeah, all right. There's two of them, so I just realized I have two of these. I don't really look at this all that often since I got it. So if anyone has any idea, yeah. So anyway, if you guys want to see what all of the attachments that I have gotten with this, just DM me and I'll make a video where I put them all out on the table here and I'll show you. Yeah, for $50, I got a great deal on this. Like, thank God I help my friend Phil out sometimes at the store. All right. Let me see. All right. That's what it looks like. I did spray this with WD-40, but not before I clean it up a little. Let me show you. That's where the shutter goes. Feel free and leave a comment. All right, guys. This kind of reminds me of the workings of it, like inside of a submarine. Random thought, you know what I mean? Like in those old movies. So yeah, pretty good, awesome. This is actually it's amazing. This whole thing fits into two pins, and this holds it inside, inside of this, so, which is pretty cool. Someone had wanted. I initially was interested in getting a different sewing table, but when I saw this, I had changed my mind. Because I think the one that my one neighbor has hers, it looks like it was a reproduction because the drawers, I think there's only two drawers, one on each side. I might be wrong, but it did not look like it was. It was just for show. It was like it looked like a reproduction. And these are the needles I have. Sewing needles I have. And this This blade was inside of it, so I guess someone used this to cut the thread. For the record, these did not come with it, okay? These... actually, yeah, this came with it. This was in the machine, so when I got it. Everything you see here, except for this and this, came with the machine. This was on top of here, and it was all threaded. So yeah. All right. If you feel free, please be nice in the comment section, okay, guys? I appreciate it. Have a nice night. Take it easy, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, okay?